This is the Component 1 task book and question 6, and we're still in microbiology. Quite a lot to read there, but they're growing a bug, Staphylococcus, and they are giving it an antibiotic. You might know some antibiotics, streptomycin, penicillin, that sort of thing, at different concentrations. Okay, and they're growing the plates. A plate with U would be completely covered with bacteria, and these are your serial dilutions. Again, you've done these in class. So part A, here we've got a calculation, 3 marks. Using a dilution of 10 to the 3, so 10 to the 3. Calculate the number of cells per cm cubed for antibiotic concentration B in the original culture. So B, here we go. So you'd be surprised at how many people pick out the wrong number to start with on here. And so we've got, there's our number that we're going to use from the table, and then we need to figure out what does this mean. Okay, so there's your dilution factor, and something else to think about is this number here, because it wants the answer to be in per cm cubed, and that is not a full cm cubed. So you're going to have to factor that in as well. So using this number, that's your dilution factor, that's your sample size, your volume. So those are the things you need to take in mind. Which of the samples A to E contains the highest antibiotic concentration? We need to look at these results and go, right, well, antibiotics would kill bacteria, so they wouldn't grow very well. So you should be fine there. So you should come up with the right letter, but you need to use your evidence from the table. Using words like, well, this is higher, this is lower, lots of growth, no growth, that sort of language. Part C, which 2 bacterial dilutions would you choose if you had to do this again? Well, it's this thing about, if I'm counting colonies on plates, if there's none, well, or if there's 1 or 2, well, that's not very statistically viable. Or if there's a plate that's just got covered completely, I can't count them. If there's a plate with some that are quite joined together, then I'm not going to use that one. So one with distinct separate countable colonies would be best, and you just need to put that into words. You need sort of 3 good points there.